Today we're talking about one of the most important topics in trading, which in my opinion is definitely not being spoken about enough. In today's video, I will be providing you guys with a lot of good tips and tricks that will make sure that instead of getting caught up in winning streaks, we will be using winning streaks in our advantage to actually not only make profits, but also preserve the profits that we are making. Everyone is always talking about losing trades and how to get out of losing streaks, how to prevent losing streaks. But in my opinion, the real killer in trading for many people are winning streaks. And that's exactly what we are going to talk about. If you think there's a lot of emotions involved with losing trades and losing streaks, you have no idea what kind of emotions are involved with winning trades or winning streaks, and how many people get fucked up because they are taking the completely wrong approach and have the completely wrong thought process when it comes down to winning streaks. Not only the most common and most important emotion that is involved with winning trades, but also the most dangerous emotion that is involved with winning trades is the emotion of greediness. We all know that feeling, at least I hope that you guys know that feeling of going on a winning streak and feeling completely invincible, seeing the profits stack up slowly, and you feel like you are on a roll. You feel like you have cracked the code. But if I'm asking you the question right now, when you are on a winning streak, do you feel the emotion of greediness? Do you feel the emotion of feeling invincible? If the answer to this question is yes, you are on the completely and utterly wrong path. You are not even close to consistent profitability. And I will tell you why. Because if you are actually a consistently profitable trader, there is simply zero emotions involved. No matter how big the profits, no matter how big the winning streak, there's zero emotions involved. You become completely numb to both the good but also the bad emotions. And I will give you guys a real life example. As many of you guys know, I'm over here right now in beautiful Cape Town. I'm traveling here together with Kane, who is still the world record holder of the biggest profit payout ever. And the other day he had his biggest winning day ever. We were trading a New York session and he made over 200k in a single trade. And we were still on our balcony and we were just talking about the profits that he made. And since my profits are also slowly stacking up and my margins are getting bigger, I don't feel anything anymore the past few months, maybe even the past 2 years. So I was asking him, like, let's say I go towards your level, right? Do I start feeling again? Do I start slowly losing the numbness that I currently have with trading? He was like, brother, honestly, listen to me. I just made 200 grand and unfortunately, I feel very unfortunate to tell you that, but it won't fade away. The numbness will stay because once you are consistently profitable, you know that it's simply a job. You know your trading system, you know your triggers, and you simply execute what your trading system is providing you with. It is nothing more, nothing less, extremely simple. And I hate to break it to you guys, it is also extremely boring. So whether you're going on a winning streak or on a losing streak, and in my opinion, when you're going on a winning streak, emotions are 10 times worse and 10 times more dangerous. If you feel any sort of emotion, just realize that you're already on the wrong path. Our job as a trader is to become completely and utterly numb to all sorts of emotions. And that simply starts with getting to know your trading system, getting to know your win rate, and getting to know the probabilities of your trades, which also brings me to my next topic. The fact that you are going on a winning streak is nothing more or nothing less than simply due to the probabilities. If you are going on a winning streak and you feel like you've cracked the code, I hate to break it to you, the odds and the probabilities that you are going on a losing streak are extremely high. Because let's say you have a win rate of about 60 to 70%, which is a very decent win rate, and which is a win rate that a lot of the profitable traders that I know have. If you have a win rate of 60 to 70%, the probabilities and the odds are simply there that at some point you are going on a massive winning streak. That's your alarm. Are you still paying attention? Are you writing down notes? Let me know in the comments down below what educational trading topic I should be making a video on next. But the funny thing is that the probabilities are also there that at some point the winning streak is 100% coming to an end. the probabilities are also there that there's a 100% probability within the course of 1,000 trades that you are going on a losing streak. So when you are going on a winning streak and when you are starting to feel invincible, just remember that the fact that you are going on a winning streak is not because of the fact that you are such a good trader. It's not because of the fact that the market is finally respecting your trading system. It is simply due to the fact that the probabilities are there that you will go on a win streak, but that the probabilities are giving you 1,000% certainty that that winning streak is coming to an end rather sooner than later. So what I always do during winning streaks is, instead of starting to risk more, I start to risk less, because I simply know that there's a 100% probability that my winning streak is coming to an end. I'm gonna preserve the capital and the profits that I made on the previous winning trades, and I'm gonna prepare myself for that losing trade and maybe even losing streak that is around the corner. Money is energy. Guys, I know to a lot of people this sounds kind of woo-woo, this sounds kind of spiritual, but I truly, utterly believe that money is energy. The way that you treat money, the way that you speak about money is so important in order to not only keep the money that you have, but also to grow your capital. I truly believe this. I really strongly believe in the universe, as many of you guys know. And once you start earning those profits, once you start going on that winning streak, I know the feeling of wanting to tell the people around you, your friends, your family, people in communities, that you are on a winning streak. I know the urge that you have to tell the people how much money you are making on a winning streak. I truly know it. The best tip that I can give to you guys is to keep that to yourself, to simply enjoy the fact and be content with the fact that you are finally going on that winning streak, that you are finally making profits with trading. But like I said, the way that you speak about money is so important, and I think that I've been in many situations where I felt that urge and I caved into that urge, and I started telling people about the amount of money that I was making. Since I was so happy that I was finally going on that winning streak, since I was so happy that I was finally making profits with trading. And the universe simply punished me for it. And once I started keeping it to myself, once I started treating the money with respect, not only by talking about money in a certain manner, but also by spending money in a certain manner, and not stupidly started splashing money once I started earning some money finally, which I have done in the past. And once again, guys, trust me when I say this, I really got punished so hard for it, because money is simply energy. So remember this, that once you go on that winning streak, or once you simply are consistently profitable for a longer period of time with trading, and once slowly but surely your profits start to increase, remember to always treat money with respect, and to always talk about money with respect, because if you don't, you'll get punished.
Tell no lies.
The conclusion of today's video is that if we are going on a winning streak, remember to always remain completely numb to emotions. Remember that it's always a game of probabilities, and that a losing trade and a losing streak is always around that corner. And guys, remember that always treat money with the respect that it deserves.